Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your CPU temperature to see if it's running hot at the moment. And you can use two different softwares. You might have MSI Afterburner already on your PC. You just need to go to settings right here, go to monitoring, and then go to where it says CPU temperature and just turn this on for the tray. Show on screen display showing system icon tray right here. Go to apply. And then you can actually see your CPU temperatures really easy. So if I go on over to my system tray right now, you can see the temperature of my CPU down here. So you can see all these little numbers. So if I go back to this, that's very easy. MSI Afterburner, you probably have it. And then we got Core Temp on the right. This is just more standard. It'll give you all the different information. But here's my CPU temperature down here. I'm at like 48 Celsius for min max. And then here's my power draw. So I can just look at this. It's pretty good. And this is also going to show them the system tray as well. So if I go on down to the bottom left, I can see it. So it's very easy to get this. This is called Core Temp and MSI Afterburner. So we can just go to google.com and just type that in for search. So let's just type in Google. And it looks like this stays on the top of everything. So we can move this to the side. So get core space temp. And then we can go to the top one right here and just click on it. Core temp. And you can see the direct link. The link is alcpu.com/core temp/. So go to the download link right here. You can see it and you should be able to get this software right here. And then the other one is MSI Afterburner. And yes, you might have this already if you have an MSI graphics card or something like that. So just download this. And you should be able to get this on your computer now and check your CPU temperatures, see if it's running hot. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.